Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can invite new team members to your teams on DeskTime. So let us guide you through this. So start by navigating to the DeskTime web application via Google Chrome or any other web browser, and then expand the sidebar here on the left hand side and navigate to team members section, right? So what you want to do from here is go through a list of team members. You can search them here by name. Check who's working, who's absent, and if you'd like to add a new member, click into this button here, enter the full name, the email address. As you can see, in these two fields have been marked with an asterisk, or I don't know, that red star icon here. And then guys, what you want to do is assign a team and assign a role, like make it an admin, for example, and send the invitation here via email. Make sure that that you type in the right email address, and you can add more members by clicking into that button and wait for the invitation to be accepted or to be declined by the invitee. As you can see, I invited this user here for the sake of this tutorial, and that user needs to react to that invitation. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.